Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to instantly remove the video background in CapCut. So here I have this videos that I want to remove its background. So what you need to do to remove it easily is just click on the video and then swipe through the menu at the bottom until you find cutout. Now click on the remove background options and just wait until CapCut removing the background completely. You can see now it's processing. You can just wait until it's done, and after that you can just click on the check icon, and that's basically it. Your video will turn like this, so the background will turn into a blank background like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.